snap. What? You see it? Wait. How is this gonna end? I wish I could foreshadow. How? Did we kill the bug? Or did we just stand here for the rest of the morning watching the room?
Open your eyes.
So this is the before. see it.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
So then it probably went by the chair.
I'm like even trying to look down there without like, I'm scared though. I mean, I guess it's better if it's on the floor in a sense, but not for me to walk in there because I'm gonna be paranoid. Dang.
It's gone that fast.
Yeah, you can go check. You want to check? Go double check. It's in your room.
That's crazy that it went down that fast. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's gone. Oh my gosh, this is not happening right now. This is not happening. How did it disappear so fast? Oh. It has to be by the chair. There's just no way it went by that fast.
Now we just wait for it to come out. I don't know. How is this gonna end? I wish I could foreshadow. How? Did we kill the bug? Or did we just stand here for the rest of the morning watching the room? Either way, we're screwed. What do you want to do, to go to sleep?
No.
Well, it's not there anymore.
Oh my gosh, this is not happening. It's gonna be adult business.
What?
You're minding your business mindset. One call.
Oh wow.
Like let's say you have a bug or something.
Oh
and you
wow.
don't have any help.
I feel like you could charge good money for that too, because
Yes.
girls like us who are scared will be willing to here take it, just kill it, just kill the bug anytime at night or anytime.
Yes.
That is a good idea. Any bug killers out there?
Or capture.
Captures.
Oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
I mean, either we can't. I can't stay up. I guess that's what we do tomorrow.
I have work tomorrow morning.
Oh yeah, you do have work tomorrow morning. Oh, good point.
Oh my god.
So we just gonna have to just be brave. I gotta go put some shoes on. Girl!
Wait.
You think you gonna be able to find something from where you
I
are?
got my goggles on.
Oh, you put the glasses on?
My magnifying glasses.
Oh my gosh, child.
I'm just trying to figure out.
Dang, where could that thing be? Oh snap.
What? You see it? Wait.
Yeah, I don't know. I sprayed it. I don't know what I sprayed or where it went. Actually, let me get the bus for it. You know what?
What?
I feel like just getting your curtain and throwing it out.
It's in there?
Well, it was, yeah, it was like in the opening part.
That was a clean towel you just threw like that on the floor.
You complained?
I'm not complaining.
What you want me to do?
Oh yeah, that curtain is like on the...
I'm gonna end up having to throw all this stuff, so what do you want me to do? Because I'm not gonna be delicate with stuff, because this is scary. This is gross. I'm not trying to get it on me. Are you even getting me here?
You're here.
Trying to save your life. The thing was better when it was up there. At least we knew where it was.
Oh, yeah.
Now we gotta play freaking hide and go seek with this thing.
Hold
on. After hours of spraying, panicking, thing is dead. Yeah, sucker. That'll teach you to mess with me and Tatiana. Oh, R.I.P. Now you got all that mess. But hey, did my job here.
I appreciate you. But
yeah.
You just stay right there. Just stay right there.
What you think is gonna come back? It's gonna be like, psych. You thought.
You thought.
Oh gosh.
My robes.
Blake, where are you when we need you? For real. Like, I literally consider calling you, but you probably wouldn't wake up because you're knocked out right now. But, hopefully this doesn't happen again. This taught us that we need to definitely tomorrow.
Do deep cleaning.
Well, not deep cleaning. Those bugs, your house can be as clean as a whistle. It just, those bugs just come from outside. No, just make sure we spray the corners or we do stuff so when the bugs do come, they end up dying.
Okay.
Man, 2:17. Can I go to sleep now?